Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Welcome students, this is Nitin Sharma and today we are going to start with our exercise 8.3 question number 6. Okay, so what is question number 6? Arif took a loan of rupees 80,000 from a bank. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, find the difference in amounts he would be paying after 1.5 years if the interest is. There are two parts. If the interest is compounded annually and the interest is compounded half yearly. हमें दोनों के लिए अमाउंट निकालना है, फिर क्या निकालना है, उन अमाउंट के बीच का डिफरेंस निकालना है. इज इट क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट पार्ट हम कौन सा लेते हैं, विच इज इंटरेस्ट इज कंपाउंडेड व्हेन इंटरेस्ट इज कंपाउंडेड annually. Clear? So हमें P क्या गिवन है? P is equal to 80,000 and rate of interest that is R हमें गिवन है 10% per annum and which is compounded yearly or we can say annually. Clear? And time period हमें given है integer 1/2 years. Okay? So हमें पता है कि होल का और फ्रैक्शन का किस तरह पार्ट अलग अलग करते हैं. So अमाउंट का फॉर्मूला हमारा क्या बनेगा, P 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power 1 एंड इसका हम क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई 1 प्लस इस पावर को हम देंगे, ये 1/2 फ्रैक्शन को हम देंगे विथ R 1/2 मल्टीप्लाई R डिवाइड बाय 100. क्लियर? ऐसे सब हम पहले भी देख चुके हैं. देन योर P इज 80,000 1 प्लस R इज 10 बाय 100 multiply 1/2 multiply R. 1/2 multiply R is 1/2. R is your 10. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 10. You will get 5. So 1/2 multiply R is 5. So 1 plus 5 by 100. Clear? After that इसे हम सॉल्व कर देंगे. 80,000 0 से 0 कैंसिल and we get 1 plus 1 by 10 that is 11 by 10. Clear? And multiply 1 plus 5 by 100 that is 105 by 100. ओके, जो कैंसिल होता है उसको हम कैंसिल कर देते हैं. 1 2 and 3 zeros, 1 and 3 zeros. 11 multiply 80 that is 880 multiply 105. ओके, 880 का हम 105 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा 92,400 rupees. Which is your amount, 92,400 rupees, which is your amount when interest is compounded annually. अब हम देखेंगे when interest is compounded half yearly. Okay? Now हमने देखा कि when interest is compounded annually तब हमारा अमाउंट क्या आया था, 92,400 rupees. अब सेकंड केस क्या है, when interest is compounded हाफ ईयरली. ओके, सो P हमें क्या गिवन है 80,000. R हमें क्या गिवन था 10% पर एनम बट कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली. ओके, कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली. एंड टाइम पीरियड हमें गिवन था 1 integer 1/2 years, which can be written as 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3/2 years. ओके, सो हमारा अमाउंट का फॉर्मूला क्या रहेगा इसमें A is equal to P1 plus R by 200 raised to the power 2n. ये फॉर्मूला हमारा अमाउंट का है जब इंटरेस्ट कैसा हो कंपाउंडेड हाफ ईयरली होता है तब. क्लियर. नाउ वैल्यू पुट कर देते हैं. A is equal to P. P is your 80,000 and 1 plus R by 200, that is 10/200 raised to the power 2n. 2n means 2 multiply n, and what is your n? 3/2. Clear? So 2 से 2 get cancelled and is equal to 3. So 2n क्या हो जाएगा आपका 3. Clear? Now 80,000 0 से 0 cancel, so we'll get 1 plus 1 by 20. 1 plus 1 by 20, which is 20 plus 1, 21 by 20. Clear? So this is 21 by 20 raised to the power 3. And 80,000 multiply 21 by 20 plus 21 by 20 multiply 21 by 20 multiply. Okay, raised to the power 3 है, हमने 3 times लिख दिया. Now 1 2 3 3 zeros 1 2 3 3 zeros. Clear? 2 4s are 8 40, 2 20s are 40 and 2 10s are. Clear? Okay, so 10 multiplied 21 is equal to 210 and 21 multiplied 21 is 441. So इसको आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा 92,610 rupees, which is your amount when interest is compounded half yearly. Okay, but हमें इसका क्या चाहिए, find the difference. Okay, so difference of amounts, difference of amounts is equal to, इसका अमाउंट कितना है 92,610 माइनस 92,400. क्लियर? 92,610 में से हमें सेपरेट करना है 92,400, so we will get 210 rupees. Okay, so this is your difference of amounts when interest is compounded annually and when interest is compounded half yearly. Okay, clear? So our question number 7 is, Maria invested rupees 8,000 in a business. She would be paid interest at 5% per annum, which is compounded annually. So we have to find, first part is the amount credited against her name at the end of second year. The end of second year में amount find करनी है. First हम वो find कर लेते हैं. So solution. What is our P? P is rupees 8,000. And R is 5% per annum, which is compounded annually. Here, and time period is T is equal to 2 years. Then we have to find the amount at the end of second year. Amount at the end of second year is equal to, हमें A फाइंड करना है, which is equal to P1 plus R by 100 raised to the power n. So our P is rupees 8,000 and 1 plus R is 5 by 100 and n is time period means 2 years. Clear? So you will get over here is 5 ones are 5 and 5 2s are 10. That is 1 plus 1 by 20. 1 plus 1 by 20 raised to the power 2. Okay? So 1 plus 1 by 20 is 21 by 20 raised to the power 2. So 8,000 multiply 21 by 20 multiply 21 by 20. Clear? 2 0 से 2 0 cancel. 2 4s are 8 means 40 and 2 20s. Clear? And 20 multiply 21 multiply 21 is 441. So 2 1s are is 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8 and 0, which is 8,820. That is your amount at the end of second year. Okay? So this is our first question, first part, and the second part is the interest for the third year. So हम देखेंगे second part. Okay? So we have amount at the end of second year is 8,820. This is our first part. Our second part is the interest for the third year, not the amount. Okay? So interest for the third year हम किस तरह find करेंगे? So पहले हम find करेंगे amount at the end of third year and we have amount at the end of second year. फिर हम amount at the end of third year में से subtract कर देंगे amount at the end of second year. So हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? Interest for the third year. Clear? So first हमें क्या calculate करना है? Amount at the end of third year. Okay? So our second part. So our time period is T is equal to 3 years. And rest are same. Okay? So A is equal to P1 plus R by 100 raised to the power n. So amount, remember this amount is the end of third year, okay? And P is equal to 8,000. And 1 plus R is 5 by 100. And raised to the power n means raised to the power 3. Clear? So 8,000, 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 1 plus 1 by 20, that is 21 by 20 raised to the power 3. So this is 8,000 multiplied 21 by 20, 21 by 20 and 21 by 20 3 times. So 3 zeros say 3 zeros cancel. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 say 2 get cancel. Okay? So you will get 21 multiplied 21 multiplied 21. So 21 multiply 441. Okay? So इसका प्रोडक्ट कर दो 21 1s are 21, 21 4s are 84, 84 plus 2 is 86, 8, 21 4s are 84, 84 plus 8 is 9261 rupees. Okay, 21 multiply 441 is 9261 rupees. Okay, so this is your amount at the end of third year, but we have to calculate the interest for the third year. So our interest for third year is equal to amount at the end of third year minus amount at the end of second year, which is equal to, what is our amount at the end of third year, is equal to 9261 minus amount at the end of second year. What is the amount at the end of second year? That is 8820 rupees. Okay, so you will get, if you subtract 9261 minus 8820, that is 4441 rupees. Okay, so this is your interest for the third year. Is it clear?